everyone, this is Maria, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make chicken adobo. Not just one way, not even just two ways, but 3 different ways in cooking chicken adobo. But before we get cooking, let me give you some tidbits regarding adobo in general. So the word adobo came from the word adobar, which came from the Spanish conquistadors in sometime in 1500s, and they met up with the Malay that were there in the Philippines. That back then they were doing the adobo and originally traditionally in salt and vinegar. So back then there was no refrigeration. This is their way of preserving any type of protein, so they can prolong the life of any dish. Can you even imagine without refrigeration? That's how the dish was invented. So chicken adobo is very popular. It's like the national dish of the Philippines, and people can get very passionate about this. When you make adobo, they are quick to argue about it. Oh, that's not chicken adobo. That's not how you cook adobo. Or they could say, that's not how my lola or my tia cook adobo. That's not adobo. But whatever it is, adobo is all about marrying all the flavors of the very basic soy sauce and vinegar. But there are dozens of different types of soy sauce and vinegar that will affect the taste of your dish. So traditionally in our household, we use white vinegar, and I know for a lot of the Filipinos as well, they use the white vinegar. We don't use the more popular apple cider vinegar with the Mother Earth. I'm sure you can use it, but it may be too strong and overpower your dish. So I suggest you use a little bit and then adjust accordingly. And if it doesn't work, if you find your dish too sour or too strong, then add some sugar. Usually sugar will fix anything. When it comes to cooking, using vinegar or just adding water, it's all about balancing the flavor. And then you add bay leaves and garlic. And you can also use some chilies, like those tiny chilies. We use those we chop them up, and then we put them in the dish. So there you have it. You can use any kind of protein to make your adobo. And another thing, adobo is so versatile. I love to camp, so I've gone camping. I've gone hiking to like Sequoia and Yosemite, and the next day my adobo is still good. We eat it with rice, just hide it from the bears, and you're good to go. It's versatile, it's easy to make, it's cheap, delicious, and nutritious. What else can you ask for in a dish? That's it. Okay, let's get cooking. I hope you enjoyed watching the 3 chicken dishes that I made. Classic chicken adobo, adobo with coconut milk, and adobo flakes. Thank you for watching. See you soon.